Both at Fox Studios and at Disney, we are the closest of partners. We have the highest respect for the executives of Fox, the executives of Disney. Our partnership has been great. They provide us with a great product. And talking about the acquirer, Disney, our relationship could not be closer, as they have turned out hit after hit after hit. AMC has made a lot of money partnering with Disney Studios.
Yeah, well, Disney for sure seems pretty wedded to the theatrical window for its big ones. Adam, I wonder if you could turn maybe to the other big story today, the acquisition of Regal. And in particular, a lot of folks look doing the math and say the valuation that Regal sold for implies really significant upside if you look at your cash flow multiples. What do you think you might have to do to try to bridge that gap? I mean, there's been some talk of an IPO of your Europe business and things like that.
Well, we started this trend in 2016, being a global acquirer, becoming the largest movie theater chain in Europe. Now we're seeing it come home the other direction. Cineworld of the UK is acquiring Regal. Kinepolis in Belgium is acquiring Landmark of Canada. There must be something in the water, because we've been approached on 6 different occasions in the last 90 days for people to make major investments in AMC or to buy a significant chunk of our theater network from us. I think that's because what you just said. I believe our stock is terrifically undervalued. We've been saying that since the summer, and I think you'll see when people realize what Regal's value is, they'll also see what AMC's value is. We are the largest movie theater chain in the world by far. We're bigger than Regal in the United States. We're bigger than Cineworld in Europe. Combined, we were bigger than Regal and Cineworld combined.
Yeah.
We are talking about an IPO in Europe on the London Stock Exchange for our European assets. But I think this is a good news story for AMC.
We're showing the shares down about 42% the last 6 months. We talked about some of the weak box office this year, Adam, but I wonder, is it your Chinese ownership? I mean, does that just create a hurdle for anybody, whether it's a potential acquirer or an investor, to Mike's point, who kind of would like to realize a better value for their investment?
Well, let's go back to the share price first. Yes, our stock is down this year, and that is of great concern to us. We think that's because the bear case that was made over the summer, when Hollywood admittedly had a 4-month slump, when they weren't turning out hits, our shares were hurt. Actually, the shares of all exhibitors were hurt. But we said back in July and August, wait until November and December, and you'll all be talking about the miraculous recovery of the movie theater business. Well, November and December have come. November was a big increase year over year. It looks like December, thanks to Star Wars, is going to be the biggest December in the history of movies.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.